welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now here I am at Dollar General, and I thought I'd take you with me. Now this is a quick reminder that this evening at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have Breast Cancer Awareness Collaboration. It is an open collab and it is freestyle. We do have a special guest, and it is Decorating with Jazzy Green, also a cancer survivor, and so amen to life. I cannot wait to see you tonight. Have an amazing day, guys, and God bless.